Welcome to How Fix It, and in this video I will show you how to replace the battery on iPhone 7 Plus. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 7 Plus? A screwdriver set, plastic mediator, tweezers, suction cup for removing display, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video I left link where you can buy all necessary tools and replacement parts for iPhone 7 Plus. Turn off the iPhone and remove SIM card tray. Remove two screws near charging port with Pintalop 0.8mm screwdriver. Take a hairdryer and heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the suction cup near home button and pull up the ring. Next, take the plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display from the case of iPhone. On the top of display inside there are two latches that attach to the case, so you need to pull the display down and unstick the display from top. The case of iPhone 7 Plus opens like a book. Now take a tri-wing screwdriver and remove all screws on the lower metal panel and 3 screws on the upper metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard and after disconnect 3 display cables. In order to remove and replace the battery on iPhone 7 Plus, you need to remove these 3 silicone tapes. These tapes often tear, so I recommend removing the Taptic engine for successful removal tapes from the battery. Remove 2 screws and remove the plastic part. Next, unscrew 3 screws on the Taptic engine and disconnect the cable. Take tweezers and catch on the edge of silicone tape and slowly pull the silicone tape away from the battery. Similarly, remove the remaining silicone tapes. Now you can remove the battery from the iPhone. In the description under the video I left link where to buy a new battery for iPhone 7 Plus. The new battery must be glued to the case. For this you can use double-sided tape or silicone tape similar to the one that was removed from under the battery. Install the Taptic engine, fasten 3 screws and do not forget to connect the cable. Set the plastic part and fasten 2 screws. Now you can connect the display and check how the new battery works. Please note that first 3 display cables are connected and lastly the battery cable. If battery works fine, you can begin to the final stage of assembly with restoration of water resistance. Remove the adhesive tape from the back cover of iPhone. Now take a cotton swab and medical or isopropyl alcohol and wipe the iPhone back cover from the remains of glue. Now take a waterproof adhesive tape and put it on the iPhone case. Using this adhesive tape, you restore resistance to dust and water. First, connect 3 display cables to mainboard and then connect the battery cable. Install metal panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the back cover. Fasten last 2 screws near charging connector. Install the SIM card and turn on the iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you and helps repair your iPhone 7 Plus. See you soon and have fixed it.